Today, we're going to show you how to speed match your customer to find her perfect formula and shade. We start by asking a few questions. What is your skin type? What type of finish and coverage would you like? What type of foundation do you prefer? To begin shade matching, always make sure to start with clean, hydrated skin. Keep in mind that shade matching is best performed using a powder foundation. If your client has normal to dry skin and desires a luminous finish, perform the shade match with our amazing base loose mineral powder. For a client with any skin type who prefers a semi-matte finish, shade match with our pure pressed base mineral foundation. Now hand the speed match chart to your client. Ask her to choose the model image that best represents her skin tone. Our client has selected the light to medium level on the chart. Because she's closer to the medium level, we'll shade match with satin, warm sienna, and natural. If your client is closer to the light level, replace warm sienna with amber. Now we'll show you how to shade match using Amazing Base. With your large shader brush or deluxe shader brush, you'll need to make 3 stripes starting from the bottom of the cheekbone down to the jawline. For best results, be sure the stripes don't come in contact with each other. Always place your stripes in the same order as the chart, starting closest to the mouth. This is satin, this is warm sienna, this is natural. After making the stripes, spritz them with a hydration spray. The stripe that disappears is your client's shade. The first shade, satin, is her perfect shade. Now we'll show you how to shade match using pure pressed base. Make 3 stripes starting from the bottom of the cheekbone down to the jawline. This is satin, this is warm sienna, this is natural. Spritz with a hydration spray, and the stripe that disappears is your client's shade. Again, our client's shade is satin. If your client prefers to wear a liquid foundation, we have several options. If your client needs hydration and prefers sheer to medium coverage, choose our Liquid Minerals foundation in the same shade. Using the camouflage brush, place a stripe of the shade on the client's cheek to confirm it's the correct match. For clients who prefer sheer coverage, our Dream Tint Tinted Moisturizer is the best option. Our client shade is medium light. Place a stripe of the shade on the client's cheek to confirm it's the correct match. For clients who prefer full coverage, our Glow Time Full Coverage Mineral BB Cream is the best option. Because our client is in the light to medium range, we've striped BB5 and BB6. After blending, we can see that our client's shade is BB6. Congratulations! You have found your client's perfect formula and shade. Always use the speed match chart in every consultation. It engages your client and shows which formula will achieve her desired finish. It also indicates the proper tools for easy application and recommends hydration sprays based on skin type to set her foundation. Thank you for watching.